Welcome to Clean Coding. So today we're gonna see about use effect hook. In previous video we seen use state hook. So let's see what we're gonna do here. So I have created a simple create React app and clean up the directory. So what I have here as a simple HTML, and I have written some CSS also. So I have a button that will fetch the meme for us. And what we will do, let's first import our use effect and use state hook. We're also using use state hook because use state and use effect are connected and used together. Okay, so let's destructure use state and use effect. Okay, from React. So now we have this. Okay, yeah, stick. Okay, so let's define a state. So what we're gonna do, we have a meme and set meme state. Okay, so this is a use state, and initially it will be null. Okay, now let's define use effect. Use effect depends on a dependency that we just first look at the syntax here. Okay, here yeah, arrow function. So here by putting comma we pass the dependency. If it is empty, if this dependency is empty like here, it will only run for the first time when the page load. Okay, and if it is here it there is a state, this state we pass a state here. The that means if this meme variable, the state is changed, then this will also run. I mean, this use effect which has a dependency of meme variable, it will also run from the in the beginning. Okay, in the beginning, and also run when this meme variable is changed. But if there is no dependency, it will only run from the start, not by changing any other state. Okay, so what we're gonna do, in start we're gonna fetch a API. So let's first make a function fetch meme. Okay, so what we will have here, let me show you the API which we're gonna use. Here I have an API, third-party API. This is the link. Let me show you what this API has. So yeah, so as you can see, we have this JSON object, and we have here URL. This will give us the image of the meme that we are looking for. So we're gonna fetch this link. Okay, so let's use the JavaScript fetch this link. Okay, this will return a promise, so let's use then we'll get a response. Let's use rest dot JSON. Okay, this is also a promise, so we're gonna use again then, and here now we got that object in the object form, JSON in the object form. Now we're gonna set meme this data dot URL. Okay, so what it will do, it will fetch this URL and set it to the meme variable. Okay, now what we are gonna planning to do is we will assign this meme variable to this image way. Okay, now this will give us the meme for the first time. Okay, now so let me see what we have made till now. So okay, so we have not called fetch meme. Okay, so in use effect we gonna, what we want is to call fetch meme. So what we let me run through the code. If first of all page loads and uh, it renders without anything else, without this meme variable, and uh, the meme variable has null. The useEffect runs and fetch the meme here, okay, by this API. It gets the data and set the meme to this URL. Now the because this set meme is used, the DOM re-renders and we get this source as this meme, okay. And now we have the meme on the page. Let me show you. Yeah, look at this. It has fetched the, okay, if we reload after some time, it will load the meme, okay. Now what we want is by clicking this meme, this button, it will fetch the another meme, okay. So let us do that. It's very easy. We just have to set a on click on this, on click on the button, so it will call this fetch meme also when the button is clicked, and also it is calling in the start, but what we want is also that it will be fetched on the button click, okay. So let's say, so if you click the fetch meme, it is fetching the next meme, okay. So one more thing I want to do here is set a loader, okay, simple, a loading text that will be show, and I want to see, I want to I want you to see how the dependency thing work, okay. So set load null, okay. So it is sorry, null. Let's set it to false, okay. This load, what is this load? Let me show you. I will use the conditional statement, okay. Load, if load is true, then what it will return, it will return a h1, it will return a h1 with class name load. Load, and here we will have loading text, okay. So what we want, and otherwise if load is false, then we don't wanna show anything, okay. So if load is true, this loading will be shown, and if it is not, it will not show. So what we want to, when this fetch meme is called, we wanna before fetching it, we wanna set load to true, okay. We wanna set load to true, and after it had set the meme by the URL. Now the meme is changed. So what will happen, this useEffect hook will be function will be called, which have dependency of meme, okay, dependency of meme. That means it will be called in the beginning also when the DOM is rendering, and also when the meme is changed. So what we want, we have set it the load to true, and here after the meme is fetched, I mean that means meme is set it to a URL, that is it is changed, then we want set load to again be false. That means we want the loading text to be disappear. We want it to appear when the button, the fetch meme is called, and to disappear when the meme is loaded, okay. So let us see what is here. Fetch meme, loading, we get the meme, loading, disappear, again disappear, okay. So this is what happening. So here the dependency of meme, so okay. So it was the useEffect hook. So I hope you like it. If you understand, do like it and subscribe. Thank you.